creating the wooden project ideas for home decor. Shelves are functional and relatively easy to build, making them perfect for beginners. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon on this video, share to your friends, family members. Wooden boards, screw, brackets, sandpaper and paint for stand. Walk through the process of measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing the shelves. Highlight tips for securing shelves to wall and ensuring they are level. Rustic picture frames can add a charming touch to any home decor or straightforward to create. Scrap wood. Thermostat, cutting the wood to size the mainward corners, gluing and clamping the frame and finishing it with a paint or a stand. Include tips on attaching, backing and glosses. Planter boxes are great for garden ethics and can be customized the size and design. Kiddo or a redwood board, screw drill and outdoor paint or sealant. While weavers through the cutting wood, assemble the box, drilling the edge holes and applying the protective finishes. Show how to add soil and plants for a complete look. Birdhouse are a fun project that can be a trail out, attract different bird species. For each project, ensure your videos include detailed step-by-step safety tips and list the required tools and materials. Additionally, consider adding a personal touch by sharing why you can choose a perfect and any unique design elements you can craft, engineering thumbnails and hardware board screws. Thanks for watching.